we have to first start a new project. If you click on the main menu and then File, and then New, and then Project, and then we create a C++ executable, then we add a new window. Since I'm gonna use MSYS2, if you don't have it configured, then you're gonna click here, Edit CMake Profiles, and then inside it, you're gonna see Manage Toolchains. And here you have I have different ones, and what I'm gonna use is the one for the UCRT64, and how you're gonna find it is after installing MSYS2, which is this one right here, and you can follow their instructions of how to install it. And it's probably, if you're on Windows, you're gonna use this one. And after running it, you're gonna see the instructions right here. I already have it installed. And on Windows, you can search for the UCRT. Just type UCRT and then you're gonna see this one. And if you right click on it and then open file location. So what you are going to choose is that the folder right here, UCRT64. Or you can just, if you didn't find it through the search, you can enter the C disk, and then you're gonna look for MSYS64, and then UCRT64, and then you copy it and paste it right here, just like this. And before doing that, you should have CMake installed. So to install CMake, you should write Pacman and then -s, which is capital letter S, and then you just paste the name of the package. And if we look here in the package index, we're gonna look for CMake, and you can find it right here. Once you search for CMake, you're gonna find min.jw/w64 CMake, and then you are gonna choose one of them. I installed this one right here. So after clicking it, it will say yes if you wanna install it. And you click Y, you enter Y and click enter, and then wait for it to install. And it has reinstalled it for me, since I had it already installed. And here I'm listing the UCRT packages that I have installed. And I'm gonna look for SDL, which is this one right here. And you can find it right here too. If you enter SDL3, you're gonna find it right here, and here's the UCRT64 package. And you can do the same thing like we did. If you click on the arrow up, you see the history of the commands that you have entered before. And then you paste it and click enter, and it will click yes, enter Y, and then click enter, and it will install it. And if you don't have Ninja, you should also install it. Install this one right here that I have it. Just type the package name here, the highlighted one, after the S command, like we did before. So just like Pacman, and then dash capital S, and then the package name. And I'm gonna click no, so because I have it installed. And to check that we have installed CMake successfully, we should write CMake and then -- version, and we're gonna say CMake version 4.2.2. And to check if SDL3 was installed, you can write package config and then mod version SDL3. And if you don't see it, you should restart the terminal, close this one, and then open it again. I have it pinned. You can pin it on the taskbar just for easy access. And now in the CMake profiles, you can see manage toolchains after you added it, after you added the UCRT64. And the way you add it, if you don't have it, you click plus sign, and then main GW, and then you can name it UCRT64, and then you choose the path of it. I already have it in MSYS, so here, and then select folder. And everything here should be green version. It has Ninja and GCC and G++. And yeah, after that you click apply and then OK. And right here in the CMake, build execution deployment CMake, you should choose UCRT64. Then click apply and build the project and then run it. And you should see the output, like this output right here. And I will add the command that you need to run in the description, so you can just copy it and paste it easily to install all the packages that you need for it to work. To verify that SDL was installed and working, so we can load it in the CMakeList file. After the set command, we should write find package and then SDL3 and then required. And then we need to link it, which is target link libraries. Then we write the project name, which I have it as untitled, untitled3. And then we set private, and then SDL3, and then SDL3. And now we run the CMake. You can write it right here on the left side. You can choose the CMake option, and then clean build directories. And if you want to reset something where sometimes CMake doesn't reload or something, you can click reset cache and reload project. And everything seems fine. And we can include it in the main SDL3 and then SDL.header. And if we delete everything and start with, I will delete all the tooltips and start with an if statement, SDL init initialize, and then SDL video. SDL init initialize video. And we can log SDL log video initialized successfully. We can do it like this, and then we can run the program again. And here you can see the message, video initialized successfully. And that means that SDL is working.